Cooking for church has never been easier.
This is my brother Esmond, and he is a professional actor, right?
Yeah, I tried to be, yeah.
And that was some of your finest work right there.
Yeah. My whole moment's been leading to this, is this right here.
Okay, so this is what we're talking about today, cooking at church with one of these bad boys. So with this thing, right, what's amazing about this is you put your food into this pot here, right, and you can basically put it on slow cook here, okay, so that it will just be slowly cooking whilst your church service is going on, which make the meat nice and tender. And then just before you come to serve, if you want to heat it up, you want to get it like extra hot, well, sorry, the other thing you could do is just put it on keep warm and just keep the food warm. But if you want to kind of boost it at the end, you can hit saute here and get stuff really hot. And so this is different to slow cookers, because it means with slow cookers, if the food wasn't quite hot enough, you couldn't suddenly heat it up and get it hot enough, whereas with this you can. Also, this is easier to transport. You can just have this in your house, put it like this, and it's easy to carry in the car, even on the bus. You know, you could take something like this. So this is an electric pressure cooker. There's all kinds of brands. Instant Pot is the big well-known brand, but this one was a lot cheaper. There's all kinds of other brands that are cheaper as well. And so this is very exciting for us, because it just makes cooking for your church lunch or church dinner much easier than it used to be, especially if there's not a kitchen and if you want people to bring food from home. So Lawrence, what have you cooked us?
We've got a chicken fire curry with sweet potato and other veg.
And did you cook it at home?
Yeah,
in your own pans?
Yeah. We just use this to get it to church.
Right, so use this to get to church, and now we plug it in.
Yeah.
And we can make sure it's hot for church. Church food has never been easier. As you can see, we don't have a cooker here, only a bar, which we don't use. It's blocked up, but no way to cook food here. But this makes it nice and easy. And then someone else has put rice on here in the rice cooker. Someone else has made veggie sticks, so boom. And this, great thing about this is we can just set it and forget it. We don't have to do anything with it during the service, so we can enjoy the service. Thanks for cooking, Lawrence.
Welcome.